Hey guys, if your laptop is turning on but you're getting a black screen, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you a few troubleshooting steps. So the first thing you need to do to fix this issue is plug your laptop in to the charger like so. And once your laptop is plugged in and on charge, we're just going to hold down the power button for 15 seconds. Now this is going to completely shut down and power off your laptop. So just keep holding this button down for 15 seconds, and once 15 seconds have passed, we can then release the button. Then what you need to do is press the power button to turn the laptop back on, and this will perform what's known as a power cycle, and sometimes just doing this alone can solve your issue. Now if that doesn't work, if you're still seeing a black screen, then what you need to do instead is come over to the keyboard on your laptop, and you're just going to press down the Windows key plus the letter B and also the power button all at the same time. So that's the Windows key plus the letter B, and then also hold down the power button. And what this will do is put your computer in a BIOS recovery state. So once your computer enters this BIOS state, you just need to leave it running, make sure not to shut it down during its process, and then once that gets to 100%, it should automatically restart itself and it should have now resolved that issue. Now if that's still not working, other things you can try doing is connecting your laptop to an external monitor. If an external monitor is working fine but the laptop screen isn't, then this may indicate an issue with your actual laptop screen. Another thing you can try doing is going into the back of the laptop and just taking off the case. And then what you can do is remove the battery manually and leave it unplugged for around about 10 to 15 seconds. And then you can plug the battery back into your laptop and try firing it up. And sometimes that can also solve this black screen issue. So that's it guys. Hopefully by following all these steps, that's now fixed your black screen issue on your laptop. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.